T-box are used to establish connection. The most popular alarm is the sending of SMS. But T-box is also able to send email, to send files, and to dial to a SCADA or a remote T-box. Let's see on what is based on an alarm. An alarm is based on 3 items. The first one is the event, which in T-box corresponds to a tag. A variation of a tag will generate an alarm. The second item is the destination. The destination corresponds to the recipient to whom we will send the alarm. Finally, the data to send, which can be a message or a report. In the case of a report, we can add the T-box data logging to the report, and the report can be sent in text format, can be sent in CSV format, and finally can be sent in XML format. Let's see now how we configure an alarm in T-box.
Alarms are configured in TwinSoft from the folder Alarms. But before we go to the alarm configuration, I would like we take a look to the tags. The tags correspond to the event that will generate the alarm. It can be an event linked to the process, for instance a pump changing to 0 or 1. It can be a tank level reaching a min or a max level. But it can also be a periodical event. You may want to send an email each day at 6 o'clock in the morning, a daily report. So you will create an event, selecting the days of the week, selecting the hour, associated to a tag. And this tag will change to 1 each day at 6 o'clock in the morning. Let's take a look now to the recipient, the alarm recipient. As we have seen, there are different kinds of connection, connecting to a PC, sending SMS, sending email, or sending files. Let's create, for instance, a SMS recipient. You type a name and you type a telephone number. If you want to create an email, you type also an email. You select email and you type the email address. And so on. Let's now create the alarm themselves. We go to the condition. In the condition, we select add an alarm, and there we will make the association between the tag, between the recipient, and between the data to send, the message or the report. Let's take the tag. Let's imagine, for instance, I want to generate an alarm in case of high level into a tank. I type the data generating my alarm and I select the recipient. I want in this case to send an SMS when the tank level is too high. Okay. Let's now create a daily report, sending of a daily report. I will take my tag associated to the periodic event. I will select the email recipient, and I can either send a message or send a report, and I select the report to send. I have created my alarm condition. I can now send this to my T-box.
In conclusion, the multiple communication method, the multiple services, and the multiple data format offers a lot of flexibility for spreading T-box data around. Mind your head.